So we have a Toro Timecutter here with the 22.5 horsepower V-twin. So recently I purchased this off my dad, and before I bought it, he did an oil change on it. He changed the spark plugs, fuel, filter. It's kind of like surging a little bit, and sometimes it backfires. And I got thinking, well, I was talking with my dad the other day, and he actually says maybe you got a faulty spark plug, because before he changed the spark plugs, never had an issue. And from what I can see here, the fuel filter, it's full of gas, so it's getting gas, so it shouldn't be surging, or unless it's a fuel pump for some reason, just by coincidence it just happened now. But I'm thinking maybe spark plugs. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the spark plugs out, have a look at them, and see what they look like, and go from there. So we'll take the spark plug out. It's one of them. It's V-twin, so there's two spark plugs, and we'll see what we're dealing with here. This is not normal. I don't like it running like this. Okay, so that looks a little white. That does not look normal to me. I could be wrong. It doesn't look normal to me. We'll remove the other one. Take a look at it as well. Like, I mean, I cut grass for a couple hours with it yesterday, but it's still kind of backfiring and starving for fuel a little bit. See, that one looks a little different. See, that one's darker. I'll compare, I'll show you. This one's got a lot of carbon build up around it though. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the old spark plugs in, and let's compare, because it ran great before these spark plugs were changed. So there's the old one. So this is the new one. There's the old one. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but I'm going to put just the old one in on this side, because I'm thinking that this one's the bad one. I'm just guessing. So I'm going to put the old one just on this right side here. And we'll see what happens. Maybe I should have changed both of them to test this, but we'll try it out anyways. Put our spark plug boot back on, and we'll give it a test. So we still have the same problem. We'll put the old spark plug back on this side. We'll try it again. Okay, we have the two old plugs in now, so we'll give it a try again. spark plug was crap. So there we go, the engine started running clear again. You could hear there was no surging for fuel. It sounded like hesitation. There was no more backfire, nothing. So that's what all it was a simple spark plug. And it was a new spark plug that was acting up. So it's possible. Just thought maybe this video could help you out. Like, I was just hoping that's what it was, and it actually was. And it just goes to show you that, you know, just because something is new, a part is new, it's going to work perfectly. Not always the case. So before you take your small engine to a repair shop, if it's acting up, something like this, be sure just check your spark plugs. Check the simple things first before you take it in and end up spending lots of money for a very inexpensive repair. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.